Question number 14. The line segment joining A 2, minus 3 and B 6, minus 5 is intersected by x-axis at a point K. Write down the ordinate of the point K, hence find the ratio in which K divides AB. Also find the coordinates of the point K. Let a point KB x, 0. A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to 6, minus 5. Intersected at x-axis, that is point K x, 0. Ratio is equal to M1 ratio M2. A, B, point P, that is x, 0. Ratio is M1 ratio M2. A point is given, that is 2, 3 and B point is given, that is 6, minus 5. It's x1, y1 and it's x2, y2. By section formula. That is point P x, 0 is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2, which implies P x, 0 is equal to M1 x2, 6 into M1, 6 M1 plus 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2 and minus 5 M1 plus 3 M2 divided by M1 plus M2. We find the ratio, that is minus 5 M1 plus 3 M2 upon M1 plus M2 is equal to 0. So 5 M1 plus 3 M2 divided by M1 plus M2 is equal to, second point is 0. Its ordinate, that is equal to 0. And M1 plus M2 multiplying 0, right hand side will be 0 and minus 5 M1 plus 3 M2 is equal to 0. M1 plus M2 multiplying 0, right hand side is equal to 0. We are shifting 3 M2 in right side, minus 5 M1 is equal to minus 3 M2, minus minus is cancelled and M1 upon M2 is equal to 3 upon 5, which implies M1 ratio M2 is equal to 3 ratio 5. And we find the coordinates of P. So coordinates of P, that is equal to x, 0. which implies 6 into M1 is 3 plus 2 into M2 is 5 divided by 3 plus 5 and ordinate is 0, second point is 0, which implies 6 3s are 18 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 3 plus 5 is 8 and other point is 0. That is equal to 28 upon 8 comma 0. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28, which implies 2 3s are 6 whole 1 upon 2 comma 0. Answer. Let a point K be x comma 0 and given point A is 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 6 comma minus 5. Ratio is, let ratio is equal to M1 ratio M2. We are using bisection formula, that is M1 x2 Px comma 0. Point P, that is x comma 0, is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. 6 into M1, that is 6 M1 plus 2 into M2, 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2, comma minus 5 into M1, that is minus 5 M1 plus 3 into M2, 3 M2 upon M1 plus M2. Second point is 0, so we find the ratio, that is minus 5 M1 plus 3 M2 upon M1 plus M2 is equal to 0. M1 plus M2 multiplying 0, this will be 0, and minus 5 M1 plus 3 M2 equal to 0. 3 M2 is shifting right side, this will be negative, negative sign is cancel, and we get 5 M1 is equal to 3 M2. M1 upon M2 is equal to 3 upon 5. Ratio is equal to 3:5. Also find the coordinates of point K. Coordinates of K, that is equal to x comma 0 and x is equal to 6 M1 plus 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2 and other point is 0. 6 into 3, M1 is 3, 6 into 3 plus M2 is 5, 5 into 2 divided by 3 plus 5 and other point is 0. 6 3s are 18 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 8, comma ordinate is 0, that is 28 upon 8, 4 2s are 8 and 7 4s are 28, that is 7 upon 2, and in mixed fraction we can write it as 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2, that is 3 whole 1 upon 2 comma 0. Answer. Thank you.